Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility and freeing space. Long press the home screen to open the Widgets panel. This is faster than digging through settings. Once done, browse by app or category to find the widget you need. Make sure to choose a size that matches your layout. Sizes affect information density and battery use. If a widget requires permission, grant it now so the setup won't interrupt later. You drag the widget onto the home screen and watch the grid highlight valid spots. That ensures proper alignment. After dropping it, you can resize by dragging corners to fit 1 to 4 columns. This changes how much data appears. Next, tap the widget to open configuration. Link accounts, set refresh intervals, and enable any required permissions. Doing this now avoids broken functionality later, and it helps control battery and data usage. You finish by testing the widget. Wait for its first refresh or force a sync in the host app. If it stays blank, check permissions and battery optimization settings. These often block background updates. Also verify the app account is logged in. If problems persist, remove the widget and add it again, or clear the app cache. This often resets configurations. One quick tip: restart the device if updates still fail, because that clears lingering processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.